JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Ask AI to get the best results. So to do this is pretty simple. So you'll have to download the Ask AI application. So this is alternative to ChatGPT, or rather this is the opposite. So basically here, it's gonna have a ton of features that ChatGPT just doesn't have as a whole. So here you can do browsing chat, YouTube summaries by getting the link, pasting it here, and it will summarize it. Upload and ask, link and ask, and you have Santa AI. So here you will have your history. You can see it all right here. So here, there's also suggestions of what you can do with Ask AI. So you can do emails right here, as you can see, business and marketing, as you can see right here. And you even have astrology, education, arts, travel, daily lifestyle, relationship, fun, social, career, and many much more. So you can ask these things with them, so such as having a life coach in your phone with AI, or business and marketing, such as your business tax advisor. So let's go with that one. So here, you can ask it to manage your taxes as an entrepreneur. So as you can see, you can send this message and it will manage it for you. So there's a lot of things you can do right here. So this is basically powered by ChatGPT 3 and 4.0 right now. So as you can see, what type of business do you do and operate is going to be its questions. So it's already prompted to ask things that ChatGPT will normally have to be prompted to do so. So that's how you use your Ask AI to get the best results basically. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.